Yep, call somebody for sobriety court. Um, Amon Warren,
Good morning.
good
Good
morning.
morning, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Amon Jabbar Warren, this is ticket SP 1575588. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, defective or missing equipment. May I have your appearance for the record first, please, counsel?
Thank you. Good morning. May it please the court. Donna Jenkins, PA2663, on behalf of Mr. Warren. Mr. Warren, please place your full name on the record, including your middle name.
I'm Jabbar Warren.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter is scheduled for pretrial. Mr. Warren has been advised of his rights, and he would like to accept the offer, which is to plead to failure to display on the driving on a suspended license, dismiss the defective equipment ticket, count two of the ticket.
All right, sir, if you could please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that? What you say?
Is it right?
Thank
Me?
you. Yes, I'm talking about you, Mr. Warren. You said, You can't say, You have to say yes.
Oh, I said yes. I ain't never said
Okay. All right. And so, understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
I must have misunderstood when I sneezed. It must have sounded like, All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of April 16th of 2024. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Bentler Streets in the city of Detroit? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. And was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the remaining count is a civil infraction, so I'll dismiss that. I'm going to enter a plea to the reduced charge. You're welcome. Failed to display. Sir, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets in collections. You need to take care of all those tickets.
Okay, I will.
All right, I'm away the cost and fines. Good luck to you and take care of yourself. Go ahead and get to where you need to go, okay?
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, make sure your mom can take you right now, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, for waiving. Thank you.
Oh, of course, anytime. You gotta pay them other fines anyways. They're gonna take them from us if he doesn't.
Yeah.
So I ain't gotta. Well, I gotta pay for these, no?
Not for these, okay? These tickets, I waive the cost of fines unless it's a reinstatement fee, and it doesn't appear to be one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 outstanding tickets that are probably around $500 total that you need to take care of. We have amnesty going until Friday, so if you can make it down here, you may be able to get some of the late cost and fines waived. That's it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Good luck, young man.
Thank you. Attorney Goldman, I see you. They told me that you want to talk to someone from our court, so I'm trying to get them on the line right now, okay?
Oh, thanks, Judge. Yeah, I want to talk about sobriety court if I could.
Okay, fantastic. All right, let me let in these other folks. What we gonna let? Did we let these in or no? Okay, let me get these out. Marcus Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
Attorney Hobbs, you ready? Hold on, where's Attorney Hobbs? Where'd your attorney go? Your attorney go? Which one of the breakout rooms? Mm, okay. I just gotta wait. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Okay. Attorney Hobbs?
Yeah, sorry, I was having some internet issues.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Walker, you can unmute yourself. I said, where'd he go? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Anthony Walker. This is ticket SP 1299352. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket SP 1494730. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Repeat offender. Ticket SP 1494632. As long as they're not in default. Yep. Expired plates, count 1, count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1466816, count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1466815, count 1, no insurance. Count 2, expired plates. Ticket SP 1299372, count 1, disregard light, red or amber. Ticket SP 1291084, count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance. And ticket SP 1545973, count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Charles Hobbs, P79715, on behalf of Mr. Walker, who's also present. Mr. Walker, could you state your name for the record, please?
Marcus Walker.
Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. I've had a chance to speak with the city attorney, and we have come to a deal that I believe is before the court, and we'd ask the court to adopt that. I do believe that we're in a couple of different stages with these tickets. I think some need to be arraigned, some are set for pretrial, but we have an agreement that would include all of them.
Okay. Sorry, Attorney Boffman. That was random on a side note for something else. Okay. Is it the same agreement that I may have been sent?
No, I believe, well, it should be. We just spoke about it again this morning.
Okay. Yeah.
My understanding of the agreement, Your Honor, is he would be pleading to 5 improper plates, 1 failure to display, and 2 expired plates, and the remaining would be dismissed.
Okay. Today is not Tuesday. Dang it. Here they are.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. If you want to take advantage of that, sir, please raise your right hand. Do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. That's the wrong one. You can put that in recycle. All right. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention. First, back to the date of December 15th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Evergreen and Finkel in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have proper plates on that vehicle at that time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Was your license also suspended at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I want to take your attention to the date of January 11th of 2022. Were you driving a Nissan in the area of West 7 Mile and Burgess Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have your vehicle registered at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also have improper plates on it at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention to the date of June 6th of 2023. That time we're driving a Nissan vehicle, this time in the area of Mansfield and Cambridge in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have improper plates on it at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also have, it wasn't registered with the Secretary of State's office yet for that year, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention to the date of January 31st of this year, 2024, where you're driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Linwood and West Davidson in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
And I want to take your attention to the date of June 6th of 2023, where you're driving that Nissan vehicle in the area of Mansfield and Cambridge. I think we had another ticket. So this is just a part of that same day and transaction. Did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you did not.
No, I did not, ma'am.
All right. Did you also, were the plates expired on that vehicle at that time? Hold on,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
check. Where does first count at? Expired plates, I don't see that first count. And no insurance is dismissed. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to filter through your tickets. We got that one. And there's one more, sir. Oh, that's dismissed. Okay. And then counsel, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for the last two civil infractions? 1, 5.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I am.
And the court is satisfied as well. We'll enter a plea to the reduced count of improper plates on 2 counts. 2 counts as charged. 3 counts as charged improper plates. 1 reduced count to fail to display. 1 reduced count to 1 to 5 speed and an expired plate, as well as a 2 expired plates. All right. The expired plates fines are $145 apiece, $145. The speeding 1 to 5 is $125. Counsel, I know you want to make some argument, and he has 3 tickets and collections. Can't do anything with civil infractions. Go ahead, make your argument.
Yes, Your Honor. So Mr. Walker is 65 years old. He is a military veteran and receives my services pro bono because he was referred from the Volunteers of America, who he had been working with to improve his housing, health, and income. He did not qualify for Street Outreach Court Detroit because he does have Section 8, has a HUD-VASH voucher through Section 8 through the VA as well. And so he's had stable housing for the last almost 4 years now. So he does receive Social Security in the amount of $900 a month, and that's how he makes ends meet, is between the Social Security as well as that HUD-VASH voucher. And he's also has been sober for how long have you been sober now, Mr. Walker?
7 years.
All right, congratulations. Way to go.
Definitely. And I know Your Honor knows how hard that struggle can be, and Mr. Walker has done that. And he should be credited for that. So what we'd ask Your Honor to do is to, find that it would be a hardship to pay these fines and costs, and to either waive them or find an alternative, reduce them or find an alternative to such.
I can't do anything with the civil infractions. I can waive the rest of my costs and fines. So, Mr. Walker, there's some things that are built by statute that I can't do anything about. Those are civil infractions. So like the expired plates and the speeding ticket, I can't do anything about them. What he can do is he can come down here and set up a payment plan, because 3 of those tickets are already in collections. So he has 3 additional tickets besides the 3 civil infractions that I already named, Attorney Hobbs.
Yes.
So he can come down here and try and figure out some nominal payment that won't, I know you're already on a fixed income, but that won't take away too bad from it, that he can pay monthly, and they'll work with him. He just has to establish it and then pay it. And so that's I can waive the cost and fines on the remaining tickets, but that's the best I can do today.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. So that's the order of the court. Yes. Did somebody?
Oh, I'm sorry. Would you happen to have a total that he would be owing? Would you?
I do. So I add 145 because these two 145, 125, and then the 3 tickets he owes on that are in collections are defective brake lights. That's 120. Then no registration is 105, and then his last ticket is failure to signal 105. Ooh, total is 745.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Yep.
You're welcome.
Mr. Walker, anything you'd like to say to the court?
No, I'd like to tell the judge thank you for what she's done for me, and I'm going to straighten my life
Very welcome.
up. Yes.
All right, you're welcome. Just keep fighting, okay? Every day.
Yes,
You didn't get to where you were overnight, so it takes a little work. Have patience with yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes we get frustrated because we want it to happen tomorrow, yesterday.
Yes,
but you got to just stay focused and work on getting something together with Attorney Hobbs that you can afford, that doesn't take away from your able and ability to keep living, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay, Mr. Walker?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Welcome, okay? Have a great rest of your day.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, no problem. Okay. I don't know. For now, yeah. Mr. Walker, you need me to get you off? I know you're not driving, Samson. Okay, I can get you out. It ain't no big deal. I know sometimes it gets a little hard trying to figure out how to get out.
Yeah, man, I'm like a dinosaur. Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. It's no big deal. You enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck to you,
Yes,
okay? All right.
Yes.
Samson SM. Hello? I need to check you in. I need everyone to place your device on mute.
Y'all gonna start saying hello to each other? We can hear you. Say hello, let us check you in, okay?
Hello.
Hello.
Everyone, place your device on mute. Place your device on mute. Everyone, place your device on mute.
I don't see what mute is.
It's all right, Willie Wimmer. I understand. If I can understand that you can't. We got you checked in. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on mute myself.
Miss Wilmer, this is the prosecutor. She's my witness. I'll put her in a breakout room. She's a witness.
I appreciate you, Attorney Mason. You go ahead and do what you need to do. Let me know when you're ready on that case too, because I know it needs to happen, okay?
We have Pixel 8 Pro. What's your name, sir?
Oh, they need me. I'm gonna go right there. Next to
Pixel 8 Pro. Yes, you're away. We have a PW. PW.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
Felicia Wright. I tried to edit it, but it wouldn't let me.
It's okay. I'm gonna rename you. I have you checked in, okay?
Okay, I was checked in already in a breakout room, but something happened. So I was checked in like an hour ago.
What breakout room number were you in? Do you remember?
No, I don't know. Something happened. The Zoom went out and then I had to log back in. That's why it took me.
Okay, I'm just gonna put you in breakout room number 16, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join. We have Doris Wood.
Madam Clerk, this is the prosecutor. We're ready on the Jawan Walker case. LaJuan Walker case. Judge wanted to know.
Hello. Thank you.
Hello. I'm Darius Williams.
Doris Williams.
This me, Darius Williams.
Okay. I have to check in, ma'am. Just hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. Attorney Mason,
Yes.
we have an officer that's actually in the courtroom for Doris Williams.
For Doris Williams, yeah, that's my officer. Yeah, I'll come down. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Officer Robinson, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 19. Robinson, breakout room 19.
Doris Williams, you're gonna go to breakout room number 17, okay? So hit join when it comes up.
Okay.
Pixel 8 Pro, what's your name, sir?
It's Imari White. I don't know why my name's not showing up.
What's your name? What's your first name?
Imari, Emari, last name White, like the color.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. Okay. All right, Mr. White, I have you checked in, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in breakout room number 18, okay? Speak with the attorney.
Yes.
Laquan.
Yes.
Are you Naquan Wright?
Yes.
Okay. I have you checked in, sir. I'm gonna add your last name to your device, and then I'm gonna place you in a breakout room to speak with the attorneys, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna place you in breakout room number 11.
Okay.
Chanel, Miss Wilson? Corporal Muhammad? And Officer Robinson?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Have you spoken with the prosecutor yet?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm just gonna place you in breakout room number 1, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Madam, are we voting on a sobriety court representative? Is that what we're doing?
Attorney Goldman,
Yes.
we're gonna have probation officer Yancey zoom in for Mr. Wayne.
Okay.
Okay. Give him about, he said about 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Reginald Worthy?
Yes.
I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Yep.
Chanel, Miss Wilson. Okay. Miss Wilson. Phone number, last 4 digits, 4006. What's your name?
Eric Wood.
Eric Wood?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Wood. Let me make sure you're on our morning docket.
Okay.
And Mr. Wood, I have you checked in, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna place you in a breakout room to speak with the attorneys. You don't have to do anything because you're on the telephone. So it's gonna automatically take you to the breakout room, okay? Just be patient until someone comes in to speak with you.
Okay.
Chanel, Miss Wilson? Chanel, Miss Wilson? What's your name, ma'am? What's your name?
In there, but it keeps kicking me out. I don't know if it's because I'm on the device.
Okay, your audio is horrible, Miss Wilson. We can't understand you. You might need to step out the vehicle and zoom back in, because we can't hear you while you're in the vehicle. Your audio is horrible. Laquan Wright, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
Samson SM,
Hello, hello.
what's your name,
Hello?
sir? You're doing a lot this morning. You're driving.
Yeah, I am. I'm about to take my mother to her cancer appointment.
Okay.
My name is Cranston Woodbury.
Preston Woodbury. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be a minute, so are you able to do it or you need to take your mind?
I'm sorry?
I said it's gonna be a minute. Are you able to do it now on Zoom or you need to take your mom?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I have until
Okay, so
10:30.
Okay, so you just have to be still, okay? Just find somewhere where you can be stable, okay?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna place you in the breakout room to speak with the attorney. Put you in breakout room number 4. Officer Yancey,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Okay. So we have Mitchell Wayne, and then we have the attorney for him, Attorney Goldman, that's inquiring about sobriety court.
Okay.
So I can place you all in one breakout room, or did you want to speak to Mitchell Wayne or the attorney?
I can you can put us all in one breakout room.
Okay. So I put you all in breakout room number 21, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. We have the website, 36th District Court website. What's your name? Did you zoom in under the website? The person on Zoom. What's your name, ma'am?
Hi,
Hi, good morning. What's your name?
Squanto Walton.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Huh?
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Shaquanto Watson. Okay, Ms. Watson, I have you checked in, okay? We're gonna place you in the breakout room to speak with the attorney.
Okay.
So you actually
Okay.
see the judge, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Three. Hey, Ms. Watson, you're gonna go to breakout room number 20.
Huh?
I was saying, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Okay.
I saw.
Yeah, Judge, we're all set in the Jawan Walker case. Jawan Walker.
Okay, cool. Is that the one that somebody's here for? I know
Yes, the
you're not
witness is
laying in
here.
your bed, Miss Williams. I want to lay in my bed too. How about that? I had to get up, take a shower, eat breakfast, get dressed, drive here.
Yeah, all the parties are present, Your Honor.
I put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, Miss Williams. Just give me a moment. I gotta get some stuff together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. You said they already on that one. Oh, that's the animal control with Hopkins. Terry Mason, you put yourself on mute.
It's leaving the scene of a pedestrian accident.
That's what I thought. Okay. Juan Walker. Miss Wright, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you.
You like this kind of bread, huh?
Miss Wilson?
Yes, I'm in here.
Oh, do you
I'm
keep
up.
going back in and out? What's going on this morning? Do you need to come down physically to 36th District Court so you can handle your matter in person?
No, I got it. I'm
'Cause we
outside the
can't keep,
car.
I know, but we can't keep letting you in and out. It's gonna start disrupting my hearings that I'm doing. So we gotta find a place for you to be, or you're gonna have to come in person and handle it down at 36. What you want to do?
I got on the car so I could get a better Wi-Fi connection.
Okay. All right. You sound way, way better, they said. So I'm gonna put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights. It's breakout room number 22. You can join that one. Then turn your camera off while you're in there, because sometimes that helps with the volume and the sound and everything, okay?
Okay.
All right. Attorney Mason, do you know which person was doing Mr. Walker?
I think it was
case?
Boffman. I
Okay.
think it was Boffman.
Okay. Okay, because I want to bring them out next, because that's the one who has to leave early today, the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Oh, that wasn't her name. I put her in the break. I thought that was her name. Are you ready on this matter, Mr. Yancey and Attorney Goldman?
I think we are, Your Honor.
Okay, fantastic. Mr. Wayne, I'm gonna call your matter now, okay? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Mitchell Brandon Wayne. This is Z ticket 8091881. This is one count of operating with a high blood alcohol content. May I have appearances for the record, please, starting with you, Mr. Lee Yancey. We're going to start with you, Probation Officer Yancey.
Yes, Your Honor. Kenneth Yancey on behalf of Specialty Court, Your Honor.
All right, and Attorney Goldman.
May it please the court, Ezra Goldman, P 48965 on behalf of Mr. Wayne.
And Mr. Wayne, can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Mitchell Brandon Wayne.
Thank you so much. Counsel, I know that it was some interest in him possibly participating in the sobriety court we have here at 36th District Court. What is the result of that conversation with Mr. Yancey?
So it looks good, Your Honor, at least preliminarily. Mr. Wayne happens to live walking distance from the court. So even
fantastic.
His car and license, I mean, we don't have to get into that because he can get into the court anytime we need. So,
absolutely.
And he does seem to qualify, you know, I mean, there are more questions that Mr. Yancey's going to have to ask. He only took basics right now.
Absolutely.
We'd like to avail ourselves of that. And I only don't remember from last time, because things are a little different in 36, if this is a plea that you take or the whole file gets transferred to Judge Holmes and then I don't know if the plea goes here or the plea goes to in the sobriety court.
Officer Yancey, I think I take the plea. Is that correct? And then we transfer it over? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And is he pleading to what? What's the charge that he's going to plead to?
They didn't, I mean, with the record and all, they didn't offer me any reduction, but I don't think it really matters if he's going to get into sobriety court. So what I'd like to ask the court to do is to COBS us to sobriety court, such that if he does not get in, we can take it back.
Yes, I will do it. So what I'll have you do, and I'll just have him plead, and then it can be contingent upon his admissions to sobriety court. If he doesn't, then I'll come back on the record and say that we can further work out some negotiations, okay?
Perfectly fine, Your Honor.
It scares me, Mr. Wayne. You're too young for them not wanting to offer you anything. So I hope this is a wake-up call for you, okay?
Oh, yeah. Believe me.
Okay. All right. So if you could raise your right hand, Mr. Wayne. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney, Mr. Goldman, about your case and about your rights?
I did, yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside what's been stated today that we're going to try and get you into sobriety court as long as you qualify in exchange for this plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you promised anything besides the ability to try and go into sobriety court?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of January 22nd of this year, 2024. Were you driving a vehicle in the area of Brush Street and the Fisher Freeway in the city of Detroit?
I was, Your Honor.
And were you under the influence of alcohol at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And counsel, will you stipulate that his blood alcohol exceeded the point that he was high, 0.17 at that time?
Yes, Your Honor, for purposes of plea, yes.
Thank you so much. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and this was in the city of Detroit, is that correct, Mr. Wayne?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the count of operating with a high blood alcohol content contingent upon his acceptance into sobriety court. How many days you been sober, Mr. Wayne?
We're going on 14 now.
Good job. Okay. These numbers, when I look at these numbers like this, it scares me because that means that you're basically functioning at that level, right?
Yeah, I read the report myself. It's gross.
Okay. Because those are high numbers. That wasn't just the 0.10 or something like that where you were like high. Okay.
Runs in the family on both sides.
All right. Oh, and we got to watch that. Okay. Listen, I got people in my family who have some substance abuse issues, and I know that I have to be on my P's and Q's. And it scares me if I do something that I'm like, oh, I should have felt that, but I didn't. Because I know that some of that stuff can be passed down. I mean, I'm not a doctor in that area, so I don't know all the logistics, but I do know that it happens, okay?
Yep.
All right. Mr. Yancey, how many days or what date does he need to go? Because you're going to be actually in front of Judge Holmes for the next hearing. You're not going to come back to me. You're going to Judge Holmes for your next hearing. And then they'll proceed to allow you in the program. Hopefully you'll be accepted, okay? Okay, what day would that be?
Your Honor, won't the defendant have to go to probation and to have at least an alcohol assessment?
Yes.
Okay. So considering that and knowing Judge Holmes' schedule, we want to put him down to be presented to specialty court on August 19th.
Okay. So August 19th?
At 8:45.
At 8:45. In the interim, you do have to go to probation. I'm gonna give you the number when you're ready, Mr. Wayne.
Ready when you are, Your Honor.
313-965-3414. And this is when they're going to do that. Yes.
I'm looking, and I have to be in Murphy in person in the morning on the 19th. I may be able to zoom in from there, but to do the previous or the following Thursday would be a little cleaner on my end.
Mr. Yancey?
I can give him a different date. I was just trying to give him a Monday because he said that was his day off.
Okay. I was looking at I was looking at September. The 19th, that's not so bad. I mean, I have to be in a district court, but I can zoom that from there. That's fine.
All right. Mr. Wayne, I wish you would have told me. I'd have put you in on a Monday as well here. I like to try and work with people work schedule. I do not like them to miss work and have issues. I need you to keep your employment. Okay. So make sure you tell people
we're a little understaffed at the moment.
Okay. Yeah. Make sure you tell the court we will, as long as you're participating and you're actively doing what you're supposed to do. Most of the times the judge will work with you so that you can not have to miss work.
I appreciate that.
Okay. All right. But I see your responsibility in trying to take ownership. So, all right. All right. If there's nothing further, make sure you call them. You need to do your assessment so that can be ready so that they can evaluate your acceptance into the program. And I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Wayne. This is something that's tricky and you're not the only one who suffers with it. So just make sure that you keep yourself grounded and surrounded by people who are going to help you and not encourage you to just do whatever. Okay.
Yeah, we've already been making some cuts.
All right, good. Okay. I like to hear that, Mr. Wayne. Okay. All right.
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, everyone's all set. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day. And you
too. All right. Thank you. Attorney Baughman, you need something?
We are ready on Darius Williams, Your Honor.
Okay.
If the court has the file.
I don't know that I have that yet, but I need you to stay in here so I can do Lejeune. So hold on.
Here I am.
Okay. Thank you.
Attorney Wolfman, there is an officer here. Officer Rome is here in person.
Okay. I'm glad to know. Thank you. So, ma'am, Miss Williams, I'm going to send you back to the breakout room.
Okay.
Excuse me, Judge, I'll be down in just a minute to talk to Officer.
Williams, please press join for the breakout room.
I'm trying to get Mr. Walker out right now. Can't get him out. Mr. Walker?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lejeune Denard Walker. This is ticket number SP 1344222. Count 1, leave scene of accident property damage. Count 2, accident giving information and aid. Count 3, fail to report accident. Ticket SP 1349572. Count 1, drove while license suspended. And ticket SP 1344221. Count 1, accident failed to stop clear distance ahead. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, please state your name? I need you to stand still, please, Mr. Walker.
He on a mission. I don't know where he going. He like to drive and walk fast.
My daughter, I got a 5-month, so I was just trying to give her a pacifier. That's it. Okay, my name is Lawan Denard Walker.
Thank you. And the good officer from the police department, your name and badge number, please.
Good morning, Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This matter is set for trial, Your Honor. At this point, the defendant is continuing not guilty plea.
Okay, we need to have a trial.
I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if Officer Robinson had an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor, or if there's an offer. We know that the possibilities to resolve this matter still exist.
Okay, because I had a witness here. She needs to leave. I was under the understanding that we are ready to go on this matter. That's why I pulled everybody out. But if we're not.
If Miss Mason can meet me in room 2, I bet we could get something going now. Miss Mason, are you available?
In the courtroom.
Okay. We asked you to recall the case, please. Mr. Walker, I'm going to put you back in the breakout room.
Okay.
Is that okay, Your Honor?
That's perfect. Yes, thank you.
All right. Let's join for the breakout room, Mr. Walker.
Phone number ending in 5702. What's your name?
Gregory Willis.
What is it?
Gregory Willis.
Gregory Willis?
Yes.
You're a little late.
I work midnights and kind of hard for me. I didn't get off this morning till like 6 o'clock. So, and my wife just called me to remind me that I was supposed to have been in court. So actually, I was calling to see if I can get a different court date.
It's still gonna be in the morning.
That's fine. If it could be a Friday, it's better for me because I don't work on Fridays. I work Sunday night to Thursday night. So Friday is my off day. So anytime on a Friday is better for me.
Can I have Mr. Willis's file? I'm gonna stop being nice. I'm gonna start being mean.
Don't do that, please. You're so kind.
You jumped in so quick.
People love your spirit. They love your spirit. You serve at the pleasure of the people. They're going to send you all the way to the Supreme Court.
And don't be trying to hype me up because you want him to get a date. Hater. You can do August 16th or August 9th. Which one do you want, sir?
Both of those are
They're both
Friday.
Fridays. Yep, they're both Fridays. August 16th or August 9th?
16th is better.
Okay. August 16th at 8:30 a.m. Okay.
All right, ma'am. I got one more question.
Yes, sir.
Since I won't be a warrant out for my arrest, right?
No, it's not gonna be a warrant out for your arrest. I haven't done that. I'm just fussing at you. Now, if you had not come, I would have put a warrant out for your arrest because this was a show cause. But since you called, I'm not gonna put a warrant out for your arrest unless you don't come back the next time. Then I will.
All right, thank you, ma'am. What's your name again?
Judge Taylor.
Judge Taylor. Thank you, Judge Taylor.
You're welcome. All right, we'll see you on Friday, August the 16th at 8:30 a.m. Okay.
August 16th at 6 a.m.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
No, not at 6 a.m. Don't come in at 8:30.
8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you. I'm all like, you gonna be here all by yourself at 6 a.m.
Right. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right.
All right, bye, Mr. Willis. All right, Anita Ware. Is she signed in already? Yes, Miss Ware. Are you just not signing in too? You're killing me on that.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, you're killing me, Petey. Let's see. Oh, you got one long ticket. You supposed to be here 8:35. No. All right. I'm gonna put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights. It's room 23. Please join that room.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, about that.
May I please know the officer that's present for
Who is it present for that case? The one.
Darius?
No, Robinson, you got that's what.
Room is the Doreeth Williams, license suspended.
License suspended. Doreeth Williams case is room. Officer room.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Can I come right back?
Absolutely, attorney. I'm gonna try and handle some of these other matters anyway, so get the pretrial dates out for y'all, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can we go back upstairs?
It's gonna be better because everybody online.
Okay.
It's like 10.
Boo. Teresa Williams?
Yes,
Good morning, y'all. Oh, no.
Teresa Williams, not you, ma'am, okay? Teresa Williams, you need a new pretrial date. I'm gonna give it to you. This is gonna be your last pretrial date, though. Oh, this might be your first one too, kinda. I'm gonna set it for September 16th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
You said what day?
September 16th,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
September 16th at 8:30 a.m. I'll see you then, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You go ahead and log off, Miss Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Miss Ware, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Mr. White, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Miss Williams, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Eric Woods, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. All right.
Good morning, Madam Clerk.
Oh, I have the, good morning. I have the offer too for that other person as well.
Oh, good. Jelante Wallace.
Yeah, let me. I think I do. Wallace. The offer is delayed 3-month sentence.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There were a few people that I needed SOS checks on.
Okay.
Should I just tell you the names?
Tell us the name.
Okay, Marquise Williams is one.
Marquise Williams, okay.
And then the other is Cranston Woodbury.
Cranston Wood, okay.
I think that's it. I thought I had more, but those are the only ones I
Yeah,
see.
and then Talisha Woody, she doesn't have a license. We couldn't find one. She don't have one on her tickets for us to pull up.
Was she mine? I don't know if she was mine. If she was, I didn't.
Oh,
write
she
her
may not
name.
be yours. Okay, don't worry about it. No, she wasn't
Oh.
yours. Never mind. Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Okay.
All right. Leon Woods. I'm telling you. Leon Woods.
Yes, Your Honor.
Turn the camera on for me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Woods, why are you late?
I work at General Motors. I work midnight. I'm tired. I
Me
tried to
too.
wait.
I'm tired too.
I'm so sorry,
I
Your
went to
Honor.
sleep at midnight and my alarm goes off at 5 a.m. How about that?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I tell myself I'm tired. I'm tired too. But you know what I gotta do? I gotta come to work.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
All right. I'll put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to an attorney for today about your case and about your rights. You're gonna be able to
Yes,
stay
ma'am.
awake in the breakout room.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me put you in the breakout room so that you can talk to them. Breakout room number 24. Okay, join that room for me, please. Okay. I didn't realize we were ready to have a trial for that case. So I need to preserve and take testimony from Ms. Wilmer. Attorney Buffer on the Walker case.
So I'm not certain that we can't work this out. Miss Mason, can we go to room 2, please? I'm sorry I missed you.
Sure.
It's okay. All right. Felicia, right?
Yes.
All right. Are you driving? Because I can't do this while you're driving. So I'm gonna just have to wait. Okay.
I'm pulling over right now, ma'am. Sorry, Your Honor. I was pulling up. Actually, was headed to the court now, but I'm pulling over right here. Okay. I'm parked. My apologies.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Felicia Antoinette Shell, right? This is ticket SP 1574339, count 1. Failed to signal while leaving the curb. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license. We also have ticket number V123023. These are in warrant status, harboring an unlicensed dog, 5 dogs. Ticket V123024, failed to vaccinate the dogs against rabies. May I have your name for the record, please, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. Felicia Wright.
All right, Ms. Wright, it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand for me. Other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. You had a chance to talk with attorney, it probably would have been Jenkins, about your case and about your rights. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
That's correct.
All right, you also had 2 warrants out there, so I'm going to take away the warrant status and enter pleas of not guilty on your behalf and set those at $0 and put them at the same date for a bench trial as the other 2 cases, which is going to be October 1st. October 1st at 9 a.m. Please be ready to be still for a moment on that day, okay?
Okay, am I able to change my address with the court? I no longer reside on Fourier anymore.
Oh, why not? That's a great street. It's like, no, I grew up on Forest Street. You can, but you just have to call the courtroom. This is live, and I don't like people to have personal business. The phone number for the courtroom, are you able to take it down so you can call us this afternoon sometime?
I'm actually headed in there now because I was in front of your court before, ma'am. I don't know if you remember last year in October, I had paid all my tickets off in your court. And that's when I was in front of you for the dog vaccination as well. And so I thought it was clear. That's why I was unaware of the court date for that. So I have to go down. Yeah, come down here anyway. So I might better just change it here at the court.
Change it when you get here. And I don't know what happened. I'll have to look it up and see because it says it was scheduled for a bench trial. And then I don't know what happened. So we'll get it all cleared away with the other one. Yeah, when you come down here, just change your address and then we'll be able to move forward. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, no problem.
We'll get
Thank
it
you.
straightened to get it together. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're very welcome. All right. See you then.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Reginald Worthy.
Yes.
All right. It's my understanding that you want to handle your own matter. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Reginald Tyrone Worthy. This is ticket SP 121800. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1348856. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket SP 1362290. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Reginald Tyrone Worthy, beneficiary.
All right. This is the date and time set in these particular matters. I believe for an arrangement, arraignment on a bench warrant. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. How do you wish to proceed in these matters, sir?
Innocent.
Okay, so your options, you have the absolute right to have an attorney. You understand that, sir?
I like to represent myself.
That's fine. I'm just, you have the absolute right to have an attorney. I'm just going to give you, I should have started off by saying this and I apologize. I'm going to give you some of the rights that you have just so I can make it clear on my record that you have these rights. You do not have to have an attorney unless I find that you're unable to proceed properly with the rest of the case. Then I can assign an attorney, but I'll allow you the opportunity to represent yourself. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And the reason why you're afforded the opportunity to have an attorney, because these cases that I listed today are misdemeanors. And with misdemeanors come certain penalties, potential penalties. That's up to a $500 fine. And misdemeanors of the driving nature, some of them are 93 days and some of them are 90 days maximum in our Wayne County Jail. Do you understand that, Mr. Worthy? I apologize, Mr. Worthy.
No, I don't understand all that.
Okay, so the state legislator has decided that some of these cases will have penalties that could potentially put you into jail, and it's statute based, and it's at the court's discretion whether or not I can charge you a fine or I can sentence you to a term of jail in these particular matters. And because of that,
So
then your rights kick in.
Are you trying to contract with me? Are you trying to do a
No.
contract?
I'm not trying to do a contract with you. I'm stating what's called the law.
Well, motion to dismiss.
Okay, so that motion to dismiss is denied. So I'm giving you the law so that you can understand the options that you have today are going to be that you can request a pretrial in these matters. You can request a bench trial in these matters, or you can request a jury trial in these matters. Those are the three options that we have. But I always like to make sure you understand the law and why certain rights kick in the way that they do. Okay.
Motion to dismiss.
All right, that's denied. I don't have a proper motion before me, and I don't just dismiss stuff because there's a motion to dismiss. Has to be a basis and a reason for me to dismiss a case, okay? So how would you like to proceed today, Mr. Worthy?
Motion to dismiss.
All right. If you don't participate in the hearing, I'm going to leave the cases in warrant status because I don't have anything further to do. I'm trying to give you some options here today. And the options are, you can ask for a pretrial, you can ask for a bench trial, or you can ask for a jury trial.
Okay, we'll have a jury trial.
Okay,
We'll have a jury trial.
all right. All right, so my next jury trial date is October the 14th. That's at 9:30 a.m. We have to have a final pretrial that Friday before though, because I have to make sure we're still going. So I'll set it for October
So
11th.
So you're not trying to contract with me, right?
No, I don't do contracts. I don't have the authority
Okay.
to do a
Okay.
contract. These are tickets.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a final pretrial, just to make sure you still want to go on October 11th. That's via Zoom.
Yes.
The trial is in person though on October 14th at 9:30 a.m. in my courtroom, 337 at 36th District Court. Yes, you had a question?
And the injured party will be there?
The officers will be there. Yes, the officers who issued the tickets, they'll appear before court. Mhm.
Injured party, yes. That's the injured party, right? Okay.
Well, it's not an injured party. These are criminal matters, and that's why I always try and explain it. We don't have injured parties in criminal matters. We have a person who issued a ticket.
So he trying to contract then. That's the person trying to contract with me?
So these are tickets issued. These are not contracts. Contracts are when people sit down and they negotiate terms and conditions. And based on those terms and conditions, both parties come to a meeting and an agreement on something. This is just a violation, an alleged violation of one of our laws, statutes in the city of Detroit that has been alleged that has been violated. So it's just been a ticket that's issued.
I don't agree with that.
You don't have to agree, but this is what the law is. Okay?
I don't agree to it. No problem.
Do you want the jury trial or no? You don't have to
Jury
agree
trial.
to it. Okay. So we're going to have it on October 14th. Pre-trial is on October 11th. Okay, at 10 a.m. via Zoom. Like I said, the jury trial is in person though, on October 14th. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, your bond will continue. As of right now, I will allow you to represent yourself in these particular matters.
Now, I would like to know where could I need to know file a claim. I need to file a claim.
What kind of claim?
A claim against your agents.
You want to file a complaint against the police officers?
I want to file a claim. If they trying to contract with me, I want to.
So when you say claim, we don't have, this is criminal law. So they're not claims in criminal law, sir. That's civil. This is not civil. Okay. This is why this is criminal in nature. So they're not claims. That's why you have the opportunity to, yes. That's why I was trying to explain to you that as misdemeanors, there are rights that can be taken away. And that's why we encourage you to want to have counsel appointed or to find your own counsel, because then particular liberties are in question at that point in time, because of how the statutes are written in the city of Detroit and a lot of cities and states. So that's why we encourage you, because they're civil in nature, which means we can take away your ability to be in the community. So.
No. Okay. Like I said, I just need the injured party there, whoever trying to contract with me. So your officers are trying to hold a contract, and I like for them to be there.
Yeah, that's what we do that for jury or bench trials, either one. The officers are required to come for tickets. Yes.
So the injured party there, that's no problem.
So, Your Honor, for the record, Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. I came in the middle of this, so
He would like to have, Mr. Worthy would like to have a jury trial in these matters on my docket. They are at the bottom of page 1, underneath the 8:30 docket. We're scheduling for a jury trial on October 14th. They're all no insurance or drove while unlicensed tickets, type tickets, no license, unlicensed. Okay. All right. There's nothing further, sir. Bond will continue at $0. We'll see you for your final pretrial on October 11th via Zoom. I need to be able to see you too, but since you're coming in, I guess the phone is okay because I'm gonna have to physically see you on that day.
So, Mr. Lawan Denard Walker, is this Mr. Lawan Denard Walker, Your Honor?
No, this is Mr. Reginald Worthy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that this we're doing. Okay. Sorry,
Okay.
Mr. Worthy. I'm sorry. Okay.
Mr. Worthy, but write it down. He's asking for a jury trial on October 14th. Okay. All right, Mr. Worthy. Bond will continue at $0 at this time.
No problem.
All right. That concludes this hearing. We'll see you for these matters, okay? Okay. Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It seems like y'all have reached some type of resolution. Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay. Recalling the matter of the people. Hold on a minute. Now it's me, Attorney Jenkins. Do the other one.
Okay, sorry about that.
It's okay. I just want to make sure you didn't get stuck.
Okay, thank you.
Now, recalling the matter of the people versus Lawan Denard Walker. This is tickets SP 1344222, SP 1349572, and SP 1344221. Appearances for the record, once again, starting with counsel, Attorney Baughman.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. Walker, would you state your name?
Denard Walker.
We also have a good officer and a prosecutor and a interested party.
Yep, good morning.
For the
Officer Willie
record, Your
Robinson,
Honor.
Dash 2590, Detroit Police.
For the record, Your Honor, Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. And we have Wilmer, who is the witness in this matter. Ms. Wilmer, would you unmute and put your name on the record, please?
Your Honor, we would thank and acknowledge the presence of the witness.
Ma'am,
Yes,
say your name, please.
Wilmer.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial. My client is going to waive his right to any trial or hearing today, as well as those rights attendant to trial. He has been advised because there is a plausible specter of civil liability in this matter. We are asking the court at this time to accept a no contest plea to each of the instant cases. And on his behalf, I stipulate to the information contained within the complaints on the each of these cases for the purpose of the guilty plea here today, or no contest plea here today.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the, let me put Miss Wilmer back on mute. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a no contest plea today, sir?
No.
And do you understand that by taking this no contest plea, you're going to give up your rights that you had to have a bench trial today or to have a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
And sir, do you understand that for all purposes, this is going to be entered just like a guilty plea? The only thing is that you won't have to make any statements on this record because of potential civil liability. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, is there any reason why I shouldn't take this no contest plea today, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right. Reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis, at least for the misdemeanor tickets that on the date of January 17th, 2024, Mr. Walker was driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Harper and Gratiot. He drove the vehicle while his license was suspended. Did leave the scene of the accident, causing property damage and accident. He didn't give information or aid, as well as he failed to report the accident. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied and so stipulated for the purpose of the plea here.
Thank you.
Your Honor, for the purpose, oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea as charged to all counts in this particular matter. Yes, counsel, you may speak now.
Yeah, as the purpose of sentencing, Your Honor, I believe that we wanted to probably a small adjournment so that Ms. Wilmer could bring over the assessment of calculation of any damages that she needs to. So we would ask the court adjournment so that that information can be provided.
Okay. All right. And that's going to benefit you, Mr. Walker, because if there is some money owed, then I'll take that into consideration with my costs and fines.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter these matters. I'm going to actually do a sentencing then. How long did you need? Did you need 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, Attorney Mason? How long?
I would defer that to Ms. Wilmer. Ms. Wilmer, would you unmute and answer the question, judges? How long do you think you'll need to get the damage total? We need the documentation of your damages.
So I get that from my insurance company?
However much the cost was assessed. What was the damage cost?
How long do you need to get that information together?
The total for the whole vehicle?
Yes. Yeah. Any damages you have? Yes, ma'am.
I think it was 15,000.
Okay, but you need to give me that in writing. I need a document to that effect. How long can you get that over to me?
I can get that from my insurance company.
Okay, how long do you need?
Do you have an email? They can email it to me?
Yeah, I have an email. How much time do you need for the sentencing part? Give me a day. You need 60 days or 30 days? The judge needs to know how much time you need.
I don't need 30 days. Can I get it with you in a week?
Okay. She says a week, Judge, so I would probably say 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Mr. Walker, is there a day of a week that's better for you? Any day?
It's just mornings. I work afternoons. That's it. So any day in the morning is cool.
It's always going to be in the morning, sir. Okay. Okay. Let me get you 2 weeks out then. That way it gives her plenty of time to get this information. Oh, my clerk gonna kill me. I can't get this cough out. Oh, they've gone away. So irritated. How about August 14th in the morning for the sentencing? You said that's good for you, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We'll do it at 8:45 a.m. at that point in time. Now I can tell you right now, the civil infraction you're gonna have to pay, and I'm probably gonna assess another cost, but I'll take into consideration whatever other documents I provided because I know that you'll have to figure that all out, okay? All right, Mr. Walker. I'll see you back then, okay?
The 14th, right?
Yep. Is that what I said?
Yes, Johnny. August 14th.
Check behind myself. August 14th. Yes.
I'm trying to make sure because I'm putting it on my calendar right now too. So that's it.
Listen, absolutely. You make sure so that you show up, and I appreciate you coming and trying to get this right.
You need Ms. Wilmer to reappear for that sentence.
No,
today.
Ms. Wilmer does not need to reappeal. If she would like to make a statement, she can put it through you. And I just need to know the assessment level so I can appropriately make sure that Mr. Walker's aware and to make
Very
sure
good.
I coordinate my cost and fines accordingly. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you so much to all of you for handling this. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Bye.
You're welcome. Get back to that baby, Mr. Walker.
He's sleeping now, so I'm okay.
No. Okay. All right.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Miss Wilmer, make sure you call me. Call me right now, Miss Wilmer. Call me right now, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you all. Thank you, Officer Will Robinson. You're all set. Thank you.
All right, Your Honor, have a good day. Thank you.
Too. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You're welcome, ma'am.
Judge, I have a housekeeping matter on the defendant is here on Darius Williams. That's an OWI trial.
Yes.
Darius Williams. So we have Officer Room is here. He's in person on the license suspended trial.
Yes.
On the OWI
Jerry?
trial,
Jerry,
I
need
It's
your
okay. I'm gonna put her on mute. It's all right.
Okay.
She just started talking. It's all right. It's all
on
right.
the OWI, I have not had any officers check in, but I did have the Michigan State Police blood person check in. She's in the hallway. And this is Mr. Boffman's case. Mr. Boffman, I think you handled Darius Williams.
Yes, Your Honor, I did,
Okay.
and we're ready to make a motion.
And we're ready to make a motion as well, Your Honor. We're just wondering if we could just take the testimony of the lab person and preserve it. That would be our motion. At the court's discretion.
Where the officers at?
Don't ask me. I did subpoena. I subpoenaed.
All right, let me get my life together. Give me 1 second, y'all. Dante Wallace.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jelante Antonio Wallace. This is ticket SP 1570642. Loud music from a motor vehicle. May I have your name for the record, please, sir?
Delonte Wallace?
All right, sir. It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You had a chance to talk to an attorney. That would have been Attorney Jenkins in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to set it for the date of October 1st. October 1st. And put it in your phone. Absolutely.
You see,
I see you.
I'm reaching
I
for
see
that
you.
pen.
Yep.
We ain't going to that.
Yep. I see you, sir. I appreciate it. October
Yes,
1st
ma'am. All right. October 1st.
at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay. 9 a.m. And I entered the same number?
Yep.
360?
Same Zoom number, 360-337-0000, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too now.
You too. Thank you. Attorney Boffman, you had Talisha Woody. She doesn't have a license on her tickets. Does she have a license at all? Ask her, does she have her number? And if she does, put it in the chat so we can run it because it's not on any of her documents.
Trying to find it on my docket.
Okay.
Is 8:45 for show cause.
And I have compliance dismissal check SOS, but we ain't seeing no license. So I don't know if she has some numbers she can private. I'm gonna bring her back in.
Okay.
If she can get some numbers in private and then we can look it up.
Miss Woody, would you please unmute your device? I'm gonna need to
Yes.
speak to you in the breakout room. When you get the prompt, just press join and then I can talk to you. I'm gonna come there right away, okay?
Okay.
Let's find out where you were before. Ah, there you are. Join the breakout room. I'll be right back, Your Honor.
Okay. Um, Eric Wood. Eric Wood plus *6 on your
Hello?
phone, please. Hello.
Yes, can you hear
Hello,
me?
sir. Yeah, you need some extra time to get some stuff together?
No.
Oh, it says needs pre-trial date. You got everything together?
Okay. Okay. This the judge.
It is the judge. Hello.
Hi, Judge Taylor. I talked with the attorney and she told me what she was gonna do.
She was gonna ask for a pre-trial date, I guess.
Yeah, because I do have, my license and insurance and all that, but I needed to bring it down because I don't know how to email or
Oh,
fax.
okay, yeah, because we have to be able to see that. So you need an in-person date?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. All right. Um, when can you come down?
Sometime next week.
All right, let me see. Ooh, next week look atrocious. Can you come next Tuesday, August the 6th?
Yes, that'll work.
Okay, I'll see you down here that day, okay? Come at 9 a.m., okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. All right. He at least has the documents. Oh, fantastic. Oh, that might be why. Mary. Miss Woody. Okay. Mr. Williams. Ooh-wee. I had to get all your stuff together. Is this the stuff that's on for today, or this is file in general? This is just today? Oh,
We
you
have
got
good
to be
news, Your
kidding me,
Honor.
Attorney Ball.
We
Attorney
have good
Ball.
news. We have good
No,
news.
no, 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 no good. This ain't no good news. It's a whole stack of them.
I know.
Okay, y'all need
Let's
to
fight
August 14th.
Yes, please. He's got some new matters, and then I just want to put on the record what's been done for him. So whenever we're ready to call the case, Mr. Williams is smiling for a reason, Judge.
Did you hear how loud I hit the thing? You couldn't hear it. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Darrell Deshaun Russell Williams. I'm gonna just call his ticket numbers: SP 1466045, SP 1572980, SP 1530465, SP 1466096, SP 1482062, and SP 1482061. Nope. That ticket, strike that from the record. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please, the court. Good morning, Harry Baughman. On behalf of the defendant, state your name, sir.
Darrell Williams.
These matters are here for a pretrial. The defendant is continuing a not guilty plea at this time. After speaking with the defendant, we've spoken specifically about each of the enumerated matters and the accompanying charges. Judge, the defendant made today a payment in excess of, I want to say, $820. He paid off his outstanding no insurance civil infractions. He's cleared the way, according to the information and belief I've developed from talking to him, for him to return with a valid license. He's promised that he's going to also put forth the best effort to get the other documents that are in question. I believe that on August 14th, you're going to be even more pleased with the defendant's progress. We know that it looks bad on paper today, but he's been actively working on it. Just since the time when he met me this morning, he's paid those things that are going to make him eligible for his license. We're just respectfully asking for a pretrial date, please, and thank you.
All right. My clerk told me I could put it for that adjourned date of August 14th on these matters. So what kind of vehicle is this? It says MASE. I don't know what vehicle that is.
A black Maserati in Detroit.
That's what I thought. That's why I really wanted to ask Attorney Baughman, because you already know why. How you not gonna have none of this stuff to? Well,
he's gonna get it together.
Priorities at its finest. I'm gonna turn to August 14th with the rest of his matters. All right, sir. I'll see you then.
Okay.
All right. 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. I start saying, I know this ain't no Maserati. Can you Miss Woody's license is valid. When we looked it up.
William?
Huh?
Williams? Which Williams?
Well, no, Miss Woody.
Oh, okay.
The one you just gave me the license for, it is valid. And she worked very hard to get this license back in order.
I'll get her right back here. Thank you.
Who is this wonderful? You said she checked in before. What was her name? You remember? Ma'am?
You need to put on a jacket.
That's Wooly?
Jacket or sweater or something. You have to have something on your arms.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name again, ma'am?
Quanto Walker. I was just in the room and it clicked me off. I was in the waiting room and the lady came back on, but it clicked me off, so I had to join the meeting again.
Okay, what's your name?
Quanto Walker.
Okay, I got you, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Appreciate that. I knew you had talked to her already. Okay. Need a couple of SOSs too.
Some of them I couldn't.
They won't
I
run.
had a Georgia license.
Who has a Georgia license? Too bad. I'll have to ask a question. Mr. Walls and Mr. Woodbury, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you. Huh? What? Where were you? Get the file. I'm sure we have one. All right. Talisha Woody. Unmute yourself for me, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. Now
Okay.
calling the matter of the people versus, you keep calling me. Now calling the matter of the people versus Talisha Woody. This is ticket SP 1546464. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, ma'am, state your name?
Talisha Woody.
Thank you, Ms. Woody. Judge, the defendant is here for a show cause. Would you set aside that inquiry? The defendant is here and on Zoom. She waives any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant for the purpose of arraignment, and she's shown me a compliance document, so I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation that the matter be dismissed. Thank you.
All right. I have seen her license. You worked really hard, Ms. Woody, to get this license back in order.
I did.
Super hard.
I really
okay?
did.
Took our whole ream of paper for us to get it and see what you did. Okay. So that should tell you that you should even that much more to keep it in order. Okay.
I will. I appreciate it.
All right. All right. I'm going to dismiss this ticket. Yeah. You see, got hand clap from the prosecutor. I'm going to dismiss this ticket. I know. See? They're proud of you. She earned this. I mean, she worked this one out. I'm telling you, Attorney Mason. Ooh-wee. All right, I'm gonna dismiss this case. Oh my
God, you got me smiling, hard.
It's okay, you deserve it.
You do.
Because sometimes when people give me their license stuff, I'll be like, ooh, child. But you did it. So congratulations. I'm gonna dismiss this ticket without I'll dismiss this ticket without prejudice for your compliance now, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too.
And keep that smile all day long. When they ask, they be like, because I got told how awesome I was today, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set. You're welcome.
You have a good day too.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, housekeeping matter.
Go ahead.
On Doreeth Williams, can I let the lab tech go, or I've got her sitting out there. That's why I was like,
I know.
I mean, they're not the other officers that they didn't show up.
Okay.
They didn't show
Yeah,
to the
come down
parties.
here. Have the
Okay.
lab tech come in here and let me apologize to her. Did she drive from Lansing?
I think she might have had another one, but you know.
Oh, okay.
But they,
Make
you
me
know,
feel
I don't
better if
know.
she had another one.
Yeah, I don't know for sure, but I don't want to like.
Yeah, I was
Okay,
gonna say we can. You want to come down here, or we just went in the hallway to get her?
I'll come down, Your Honor. I'll come
Okay,
down.
come down and talk to her. Yeah, and then I'll call that matter. Miss Wilson, now I'm hungry too. You don't see me eating on court. You may not know I can see you, but I can. I was supposed to start off with that first. I can see you, right? Then I was supposed to go into my lecture. I know it's been a long morning for us all. Who spoke to Miss Walton? Oh, and it's terrible. And you've been to that movie, so the internet is terrible again.
Yeah, we've been having connection
That's
issues
because she
with
can't
this.
stay still. And I told her if she can't get her internet together, she's gonna have to come down here. And then I done seen her move from the car. Now she in front of a house. I don't know where she at. She's in another galaxy.
She's busy.
I do too. I want to be busy too. But I gotta stay stationary.
Yeah, I hear you.
It's Olympic time. I get antsy during the Olympics. Who did Miss Walton though? I want to get her off the screen.
I did. I lost Miss Walton. She was
Miss
going
Walton
to get her
said
docs and I lost her.
Oh, she came back in. Cancel. I done hit a button wrong. Miss Walton, you were talking to Attorney Jenkins. I'm gonna put you back in. What room do you want her to go into?
It doesn't matter. She could go to room 12. Anyway.
Okay. I also have Mr. Woods. What we doing with him, Attorney Boffman? No, I don't know. Okay, he go back to where?
Ms. Walton can go to room 12.
Okay. Ms. Walton, I'm gonna put you in room 12 so y'all can finish your conversation. Okay. All right, let me bring in some more data so I can get.
Unless you make it red. And you did it. No.
I don't think that's
So,
Did I push a bad button? Did she not go?
Ms. Walton?
Ms. Walton, join room number 12, please. DeJuan Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
You need some, turn on your camera.
Trying to turn it on. Okay, I'm here.
Hi, you need some extra time to get some tasks complete?
No, ma'am.
Oh, so you have your license and everything in order?
Oh no, I didn't. I thought you said, "Do I need any extra time?" I didn't hear you. Yes, I need. My license is not in order. No.
All right, September 16th is your adjourn date. Now you got to come back to court that day, please.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you that day. Okay, September 16th at 8:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay, because I have insurance on my vehicle right now, so all I need to do is just go to the Secretary of State and get my license back situated. Correct?
That's what y'all talked about. You got
Yes,
a ticket
ma'am.
and default. You got to come to court. Yeah, whatever they talked about to you and told you you need to do, take care of that business. Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. And then we're going. Thank you for. All right, Mr. Williams, you're all set. I'll see you September 16th.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I was trying to wait for her.
Do I come back to the same lobby and stuff?
Same login and everything.
All right, thank you.
Judge, should I stay or go talk to Ms. Walton?
Go talk to Ms. Walton.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Put yourself on mute, Mr. Woods.
Okay.
All right. Darius Williams, Dari. How you pronounce her name?
Darius.
Darius. Okay. All right. Turn your camera on.
Okay.
Turn your camera on. Now I'm calling the matter of People versus Darius Williams. This is ticket number Z808998. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. I also have ticket SP 1246559. One count of driving while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Williams, state your name for the record.
Darius Williams.
I think we have an in-person witness. I'd ask them to state their name and badge number.
All right, first you, officer.
Officer Travis Rome, badge 4583.
All right, and then I also have a lab tech. Ma'am, can you stand up and state your name for the record, please?
My name is Kimberly Daly.
Thank you, Ms. Daly. All right, we have a lab tech, and we also have the officer here on the, and she's here for obviously the operating while intoxicated case. And then we have Officer Rome. Is that all right? Officer Rome, who is here on the driving while license suspended. I'm looking up her license right now. So this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. I'll hear a motion from counsel online first and then Attorney Mason.
Thank you, Your Honor. So for the matter for which there is a single complaining witness, that being driving on a invalid license, the defendant presents today with a current and valid license. If the court confirms that, I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation that that count be dismissed here, and thank the officer for his appearance.
And double thanks because he works nights. All right. The court's going to grant that request. Her license is indeed valid.
Thank
so
you.
I will dismiss that without prejudice. As far as the operating while visibly while intoxicated, I know that you're going to have a motion. I'm going to allow Attorney Mason to respond to that motion.
So my motion is to dismiss here without prejudice, Your Honor, for the reason that the people are not ready. And I will address a response to the people's motion at the proper time.
All right. Attorney Mason?
Yeah, for the record, Dan Chico Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. Your Honor, I would just ask that going forward, we might will refile this matter and would ask that there be a stipulation or that the court would allow the lab tech to appear via Zoom.
Absolutely. I was gonna say, I know that she drives in on this matter. And the court, any response, Attorney Boffman?
Just only for the courtesy that if a warrant is achieved, that Ms. Williams be notified directly and just give her the fair chance to turn herself in and be arraigned again.
Absolutely. So at this time, with that being said, the court is going to grant the request for a dismissal without prejudice. Ms. Williams, what that means is that they can refile it. And typically on these type of cases, they do refile it because it's pretty serious. We don't know why the officers didn't appear today. But typically after that, I do give them another opportunity. And I will acknowledge that we'll have Zoom testimony from the lab tech if we do have to have another hearing, because she does travel from a distance greater than 15 to 20 minutes. So the court's going to give her that opportunity in this particular matter. But as of today, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Williams, they'll send you that notification in the mail. So be on the lookout. Just keep your eyes out just in case they do refile it, so that you can appear before this court again. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, thank you all for your patience this morning. I do appreciate it. And that concludes this hearing. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. It's all right. Don't be sad, Attorney Mason.
We could all just like stipulate to all the MS people.
I know. A lot of time. So hold on a minute. Miss Walton?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Attorney Jenkins, you need a moment. Are you ready? Okay.
I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Quanto Larice Walton. This is ticket SP 1439205, count 2. No insurance misdemeanor, count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Tana Jenkins, P82663, on behalf of Ms. Walton. Ms. Walton, please place your full name on the record, including your middle name.
Squanto Latrice Walton.
Thank you.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Walton is here for an order to show cause. We'd ask that the order to show cause be set aside.
All right, this time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client and set aside the show cause. How are we proceeding?
Thank you. Ms. Walton was able to provide documents. I verified them, and for that reason, we are asking for a compliance dismissal.
All right. This time being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Leon Woods, even though he came in late, he kept pushing the button like we was missing him or something. You know, I can see all that, right, Mr. Woods? It's annoying. And you showed up extra late. All these people been on here all morning long, you keep pushing a button.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I got a 4-year-old, I'm a single father, and I'm working 12 hours. I'm tired. I'm worn out.
That's the only reason why I'm about to call it. Attorney Bachman, you ready on this matter?
Thank you.
No problem. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leon Ira Woods. This is ticket SP 1575706, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, sir.
Leon Ira Woods.
So Mr. Woods is here for 2 counts. He's going to plead responsible to the moving violation that will thereafter be reduced to 1 to 5 over. There is no limited access exception. The defendant understands that will be 1 point charged against his driving record. and the other count will be dismissed here on his behalf. I stipulate to the information contained within the four corners of the complaint for the moving violation. I also stipulate to probable cause as to the matter being dismissed. Thank the prosecutor, and I thank you, Your Honor, for your time and attention.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the reduced charge 1 to 5 speed. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time or you need more time?
I'll come down and pay it Friday, Your Honor. That's no big deal.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'll give you the 14 days, which is August.
It was August 13th. August 14th.
Yeah, I know. My sheet says August 2nd. August 2nd. August 14th. Okay.
Okay. All right.
All right. Have a good day. I looked at my
You
sheet.
too, Your
My clerk prepares my sheet, and I was like, no, August 2nd. That's on. Listen, that's on Friday. I got confused. Confused me. I was like, what is August 2nd? That's Friday. All right.
Yeah,
You're all set. Thank you, sir. You too.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge. I got 2 officers in the breakout room. I just wanted to know if
Yeah.
we've got Hoskins and Ramos. So I wanted to know if they're if we're ready on the Ramos one. I think that's Attorney Jenkins. That's yours on that one. Are we ready on that one?
Yes, yep. She's
I was just
gonna
wondering.
accept the plea we discussed. Yep.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
so
then-
can I release that officer?
Yep, you can release both of them because Young didn't show up, did they?
I don't think so.
Is
Your Honor.
Young, is that the case you handed me?
Yeah, Leroy Young or Leon.
Young, they are supposed to be here today. I don't know why they're not here, Attorney Mason.
I don't either, Your Honor. Investigator Hoskins is here.
I know. So we did put it for a bench trial today. This is interesting.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna be capious. That's too bad. We can
Okay,
call
well,
Attorney Johnson, but you can release the officer, tell him I'm sorry, but we'll call Attorney Johnson to find out what happened with that.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Huh? I did, I changed it. I put the second, I said, whoa, I know when that is. It's coming up quick, coming in hot. All right, and then you can let the other one go too. Now I'm calling the matter of the people. My throat, 1 second, y'all. I don't know. I did, I'm sorry. It's getting more intense. It's terrible. We gotta keep fighting though. Who's gonna take care of me? No one. I gotta fight through this. Now, Miss Tennille Wilson. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Tennille Maria Servala Wilson. This is ticket number SP 11355926. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1122203, drove while license suspended. Ticket SX 2823289. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, motor vehicle operate without security. And ticket number SP 1524242. Count 1, violation of the basic speed law, and count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, P82663 on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, please place your full name on the record, including your middle name.
Ugh, it's terrible. Today was her trial day. We trying.
Yes, we are.
We got back in that car. I know it's hot outside. I don't know what else. We can try and work through it. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter was set for trial. Officer Ramos was the only officer to appear, so I did discuss a plea offer with Attorney Mason. The plea offer is to plead to failure to display on ticket ending 4248. So that'd be amended, driving license suspended to an FTD, and then the unsafe manner would.
Yeah, we lost her.
Client.
Yep. Unsafe manner will be, so tell me what it is, FTD and what else?
1 to 5, speeding 1 to 5.
The remaining
everything-
tickets dismissed.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll give a moment to check back in. Off the record in this matter. Marquise Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And we got a show cause before me coming up. Who wants to check his SOS?
Yes, please.
Why for? Why for?
Because I believe his license is in good standing.
Killing me today. Let me bring everybody else in. All right. Kenneth Wallace.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kenneth Michael Wallace. This is ticket SP 1569132, count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Wallace. Mr. Wallace, please place your full name on the record.
Yep. Kenneth Michael Wallace.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the day and time for a show cause. We would ask that the show cause be set aside, stand mute on the charges for purposes of arraignment.
This time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Wallace did come to court with his documents today. I was able to verify them. For those reasons, I would ask that Mr. Wallace's matter be dismissed.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant that request. I'll dismiss these without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too.
All right, no problem. Yeah, that's actually who I was calling next. Cranston Woodbury.
Good morning, Your
Hello?
Honor. Sorry.
Now calling it's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Cranston L. Woodbury. This is ticket SP 1575362. Count 1 failed to display. Count 2, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Woodbury. Mr. Woodbury, please state your full name for the record.
Cranston Woodbury.
All right. No, yeah, I know you made that face because I was like, I can't run his license. It's in Georgia. And I don't, we're not technologically savvy to be able to run other
I thought he had a Michigan license.
It was just expired, maybe a week prior to my birthday.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did not realize that.
I didn't either until right now.
Yeah, so I
Okay.
gave him my Michigan license and he sent it to Georgia, so I didn't receive the information. I'm still here currently in Michigan.
Okay. Your Honor, could we recall this case so that I can speak with Mr. Woodbury?
What was he gonna do? He was gonna plead to the second count. What was he gonna plead?
He was going to plead to, yes, he was going to plead to the second count, limited access. There was a speeding ticket 6 to 10 that defaulted, and I talked to the prosecutor and she agreed to allow him to plead to limited access 1 to 5.
All right. Do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5, speed, remaining ticket to be dismissed. Sir, the
Thank
fine
you.
for that is 100, and you're welcome. The fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay. Is that gonna be enough time? You can do it online.
Yes.
All right, have it due no later than August 14th, 2024. Sir, when you go into the system, make sure that it says 1 to 5 speed. If you pay 135, you will have paid for the 6 to 10 speed. And I can't do anything about it. You're gonna get those points. This one is
Okay.
no points. So I advise you to make sure it says 1 to 5.
I certainly will. I'll inquire about
right.
that when I call again. Thank you.
All right, you're all set then. Have a good day.
Likewise.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
You aware?
Yes.
Hello?
Good luck with your mom too, Mr. Woodbury. I'm gonna get
Thank
you
you so
out.
very much. Thank you so
You're
very
very,
much.
very welcome, okay? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Anita Carroll Ware. This is ticket SP 13530121. One count drove while license not valid. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, ma'am, state your name?
Anita Carroll Ware. Now
Thank
Anita
you.
Carroll Ferrier.
Okay.
Judge, she paid 3 accompanying civil infractions. For that reason, I'm asking you to dismiss the instant case without prejudice. She also got a license if the court cares to look that up.
Okay. All right, that's fantastic. Look, she's smiling and happy. My goodness, I love it. All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. Congratulations on you getting your license and getting everything back in order, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set, okay? Okay.
Thank
cool.
you.
No problem. All right. All right, Amari White.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus, is it Amari or Imari?
Yeah, you said it right.
Imari White, this is ticket 303392, violation of the temporary instruction permit. And then U ticket 979477713. This is one count of entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. White. Mr. White, please place your full name, including your middle name, on the record.
Yes, Imari Deontay White.
Thank you. Your Honor, this matter is set for trial. As I understand it, the state is moving for a dismissal based on the age of the case, and we would join in that request.
This time, the court is going to grant that request. Want to dismiss these matters without prejudice. But I do have to ask why you ain't never come back, sir.
Say it again. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you come back to handle these matters?
Well, I was young and I was still like doing doing dirt, and now that I'm older, getting my life
These
together.
caught on up, huh? You tried to get a job and they pulled it and they said you had more wax.
Yes.
You had to come take care of them, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and they said bonds in these. You had to pay bond money, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
That sucks. That's too bad. All right. Court's going to dismiss these. If you had any bond money, it'll be mailed back to you. Okay? Dismissed.
Okay.
Age of ticket. Hope you under a pertinent lesson. I'm glad that you came to finally handle your stuff. But next time, come to court on time, please, and thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right. Marquise Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marquise Sullivan Williams. This is case number SP 124777022, drove while license suspended. SP 1586530. Count one, equipment violation. Count two, drove while license not valid or improper. That's up for a show cause on 8/28. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, PA 2663, on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please place your full name on the record.
Marquis Sullivan Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Mr. Williams on the docket for the arraignment on the bench warrant for the driving on a suspended license. I'd ask that the bench warrant be recalled, and with respect to the arraignment, we would stand mute, waive a formal reading.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How do you wish to proceed, counsel?
Your Honor, I did not realize there were two other tickets. With respect to the driving on a suspended license, I was hoping that his license could be verified. It's my understanding it's in good standing, and for that reason, I was going to ask for a dismissal. With respect to the other two tickets, I would need to recall and get an offer.
No, you don't, because his other ticket is drove while license is improper, so he has a valid license, so I'll dismiss that. Sir, the improper equipment violation, what was it, sir?
I don't know the improper equipment. I don't know what that is.
Did you have tinted windows, or you have muffler, or do you have a crack in your windshield?
Nope. I think, it was the tent on the car, and I got the tent took off.
Can you show me where your car at?
I'm not near my car in the shop right now.
Your car in the shop right now?
Yep, that's why I'm walking at the moment.
All right. Well, here's what I can do. I can do one or two things. I can just keep that ticket, and you're gonna have to pay that ticket. I'll dismiss the other two tickets because I gotta see the tent and know what was taken out.
Yeah, but for sure took when can I show the court that it's took off? Hello?
I'm trying to think.
It's not my car, but I was driving.
He said it's not in his car, but he was driving it.
Well, he has two tickets in collections. So here's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to dismiss it.
Thank you.
And you got to pay the other ticket that's in collection, sir, for $145, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to dismiss the tickets out, the three tickets I called, but you still got a ticket in collections you need to pay, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you. On behalf of
Appreciate
Mr. Williams, thank you very much.
Because he gave me you already gave me two different stories. First, it was the cars in the shop. Then the next thing was
it's my girlfriend's car.
It wasn't my car. I know, but then you said, "Oh, it wasn't even my car with the tent."
No,
Make up your
I
mind.
was just telling you. No, I didn't lie. The car actually in the shop. It's not mine though.
Oh, so it's not yours, and it is in the shop.
It's my girlfriend's
Get me
car.
together. All right.
Yeah.
You're all set though. Don't forget you got that expired place ticket you need to pay for. It's in collections right now, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna pay it.
All right. Okay.
Thank
you.
You're welcome. Taiwan Walls.
Ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How you pronounce it?
You said it right, Taiwan. It was a misspell by the hospital that's no longer available now. It's supposed to be Taiwan.
That's terrible. Now you got a unique name though.
Yeah.
Tyrone Jamal Walls. You got all kinds of stuff. They did a number. I like it though. I can pronounce it all.
Thank you.
Ticket SP 120438, count one, no insurance. Ticket SP 1265709, count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, improper plates. Count three, drive untitled, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1265710, failed to stop for a stop sign. Ticket SP 1299081, disregard signal red or amber. Ticket SP 1299087, count one, drove while unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count two, no insurance. Ticket SP 1420491, Disregard signal red or amber. Ticket SP 1498754. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket SP 1498772, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Walls. Mr. Walls, please place your full name on the record.
Taiwan Jamal Wall.
Thank you. Your Honor, these matters are set down for pretrial and hearing. I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Walls. He did show proof of insurance and registration. Can I just verify that his license is valid?
Yes.
I got the receipts and everything for for the
I
clerk's
know,
office.
Mr. Walls, but remember, Madam Clerk
Oh, yeah.
has to
No problem.
say for sure. Okay. Assuming his license is valid, I spoke with Attorney Mason, and the plea offer is for Mr. Walls to plead to failure to stop at a stop sign amended to 1 to 5 limited access and disobeying a red signal, pleading straight. So he'd be pleading to the ticket ending in 5710, count 1, and then he'd also be pleading to the ticket ending 9082, count 1, and the remaining tickets would be dismissed.
And both of those are as charged?
No, the failure to stop at a stop sign is 1 to 5 limited access, but unfortunately, the red signal, disobeying a red signal is as charged. Everything
Okay.
else.
And I just need to know whether or not his license is together.
It seems like it is. He has the paperwork, but I know it still has to be verified.
Thank you. All right, his license is valid.
Awesome. Thank you.
So do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced charge 1 to 5, speed, limited access, and disregard signal red or amber. Let me see how much these tickets cost. The speeding ticket is $125. The other ticket, there's late fees on it. That's speed. It's $130, yeah, because they took it all off for amnesty. So that's a total of $255. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. How long do you need, sir?
Well, I got rent coming up on the 1st. I can pay it before the 29th of August, if that's okay, Your Honor.
I'll give you until September. Let's see what date I can give you. September 4th.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
That works?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, that's next close to next time your rent is due. Did you need a little bit more time or are you gonna be good?
No.
Okay.
Because I'll be right.
Okay, I was about to say, you can pay it in like little pieces. So if you need to pay one time and then pay the other one, that gives you a little extra time, okay?
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, the remaining council will be dismissed. Sir, if you have any reinstatement fees, that's above and beyond what I said today, okay?
No, they told me I didn't have it. Thank you, yeah.
Fantastic. All right, good luck to you, okay?
All right, appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, you too.
Take care.
All right, ma'am, can you hear me now? Mr. Neil Wilson, I know you've been struggling all morning.
I'm on a whole new device and I had to put my phone on the air. See, it went out on me. I'm
I
sorry.
figured it's okay. I know. You've been fighting through. Ma'am, back on the record in the matter of the people versus Neil Wilson. These tickets have been called. Ticket SP 1524248, SP 1524242, SP 11355926, SX 2823289, and SP 1135927. Can I have appearances once again for the record, counsel?
Sure. Tana Jenkins, P 2663 on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, please place your full name, including your middle name, on the record.
Tanil Maria Sevilla Wilson.
All right, counsel, you had given me the offer that she was going to plead to. Ma'am, that was one count to fail to display reduced, but and then you're going to play to a reduced 1 to 5 speed. Is that how you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of November 22nd of 2023. Were you driving a Toyota vehicle in the area of Finkel and Coyle streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, ma'am?
Yes.
And counsel, will you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket for her speeding portion?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
So at this time, satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced charge fail to display, as well as the reduced charge 1 to 5 speed.
Thank you,
I
Your
see
Honor.
you put a note.
Okay, thank you.
I can't though. So here's what I can do. Ms. Wilson,
Okay.
on speeding, on the civil infractions, I have to, it's statute based that I have to give you a fine.
Okay.
So that fine's $125. What I can do is I can put that you need to be on a payment plan, and you can come down here and try and set up a payment plan. I'll waive the cost and fines on the remaining ticket. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
That's the best I can do. I can't do
Thank
anything
you.
with civil infractions. They are what they are. Okay.
Okay.
But on the other ticket, I can dismiss it. If you have any reinstatement fees, that's above and beyond, but you can take care of those. You also have a few tickets and collections. So I will come down here and talk to somebody when you have a chance and see what we can do to try and get these tickets taken care of, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And then that way you can figure it out. Let me write down the note I made to myself. I'm gonna put you payment plan. Okay. 1-5 payment plan. Okay. All right, thank you for your patience today too. I know it was a long day, but you sound so much better on this phone.
Because I'm on my mama phone. My mama pulled up.
Your mama got a good phone. Your mama got a good phone, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, Miss Wilson.
Thank you.
You're
Y'all
welcome.
have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye, Ms. Wilson.
Okay.
Bye. All right, y'all, I have a couple of files. I did see a couple of these people, so let me know what they were going to do.
Okay.
I'm closing all the rooms just in case. I have a Naquan Wright. And he dropped off. I did see
That was
him
mine.
earlier. Okay, what were you gonna do with him?
Hold on. Mr. Wright was asking for a pretrial. He is here for show cause today.
All right, I'm gonna set it for September 16th, 8:30 a.m.
Thank
You
you.
said you want to put what? Cash bond out for who? Oh, yeah. We're gonna, Mr. Williams, I want to put that, get on my nerves. What about Carl Willis?
I don't think he was mine.
Carl Anthony Willis was here for review. He owes $200. He's
He paid it.
okay.
He paid it. At this time, now calling the matter of the people versus Carl Anthony Willis Jr. This is ticket SP 1515176. Count 2, consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle, motorboat, or off-road vehicle. Appearance for the record, starting counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. He does not appear at this time, Your Honor. I did have a chance to speak to him in the breakout room, and he paid the fine as ordered. I move to dismiss without prejudice for compliance.
All right. At this time, oh man, today is getting me. Being an officer of the court, having seen the fine paid, and we pulled it. He paid the fine. I'm going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter for his compliance. Thank you. You're welcome. And then the last one is, oh, well, I got two more. Jaron Williams. Did anybody talk to him? Jaron Williams?
No, not me.
I believe I did. Is it Jelante?
No, I already did. Jelante, I gave a new date to. It's Jaron.
No.
Okay. Okay.
One more.
Okay, so the last one is somebody who was supposed to turn themselves in today. I'm gonna set a cash bond, y'all. 10%. Ooh, y'all Mary vicious, man. I know he was supposed to turn himself in today. So, calling the matter of the people versus Eric Lamont Williams. This is E-ticket 8085541. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. He was put on probation to me for 24 months. We did a violation hearing almost a month ago, and I gave him the opportunity to either continue. He had not done anything. He had failed to report. He didn't do any of the drug treatment testing programs that he was supposed to do. He had not done anything. I gave him the opportunity to either continue on or to be placed into the Wayne County Jail for 30 days. He opted for the opportunity to go to Wayne County Jails for 30 days and then close out this matter. He was supposed to have reported today at 10 a.m. for this matter. I have called out in my courtroom, Eric Lamont Williams. My officer has gone into the hallway to see if he was present. He is not present. Therefore, the court is going to issue a bond in this matter and $500 for him as a bench warrant on this court's docket. All right, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.